Hello, friends. Welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful time zone. If you're new, you can call me Mifa, and I like cozy games, books, and lifestyle. I'm getting so freaking close to finishing my house in Palia, so today I'm going to show you how I came up with this cozy main bedroom and bathroom design. So this is the space that we're working with. This is to the left of my Grand Harvest house, and my bedroom's going to be the large room with 2 hallways attached to both sides. And then my bathroom is a medium room with 3 hallway sections attached. If you're interested in both the laundry room and study nook build, I already have a tutorial on my channel, so I will have that linked down below or in the corner. For floors, I'm using a fave, which is the reclaimed wood floor. For the bathroom, I'm using the mosaic vine tile floor. Oh my god, this one is so pretty and definitely inspired pretty much all the colors for this entire build. And then for walls, we're using the gypsum flagstone wall, the waves of water wallpaper. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone, but I just love this wallpaper so much that I had to use it. And for the bedroom, we're using the flowering field wallpaper and natural wood paneling in the closet. But let's get started on this build. For the entryway, we're going to be making a 5x4 rectangle with small stone crates. When I came up with this, I was trying to figure out a way that we can create privacy in a bedroom because we don't have doors in Palia. And with this design, it creates a grand entrance at the beginning of the bedroom, but it also makes another wall surface that we're going to be placing our bed on later on. And on the sides in both corners, we're going to be stacking 2 builder stone pillars. So there should be 4 on each side. In the center of those, we're going to be stacking 6 builder's wood pillars. And this is just to add a little bit of visual interest to the wall that we just created, making it feel a bit more finished and intentional. And do that on both sides. And now we're gonna create stone molding on the wall that connects the bedroom and the bathroom. So we're gonna change that entry to an open concept, place 4 small stone crates, so 2 on both sides, and then change that entry back to a double doorway. And now you have stone molding on the bottom of the wall. Now we need some counter space in this bathroom, so we're gonna place 2 small stone crates against this wall and then 2 more on the other side. Then we're gonna create some open storage by using wood planks and 3 gourmet dessert bowls. And I just wanted to create a space where we can place beauty products, candles, plants. You'll see in the future. But do that on both sides. After that, place 2 capital chic mirrors on both sides of the wall. Then align 3 more on the opposite corner. From there, we're going to be placing the bellflower sink, and across the way, place a bellflower toilet. Now we need some storage, so add 2 industrial wall shelves on top of that. And then for privacy, I'm adding the Dragon Tide folding screen. Personally, I'm a bubble bath girly, so we're going to place the capital chic bathtub in this hallway with 3 wood plank pavers to make a bath mat. But I also wanted an open shower, and unfortunately we don't have any glass building blocks, so we need to get a little creative. So we're going to be using 9 brush gel dragonflies, and this might be a little bit weird, so stay with me, but we're going to stack 3 sets of 3 and place them at the front of this hallway entry. And this is gonna serve as a glass wall to our walk-in shower. For a shower head, we're gonna use the Ravenwood spotlight lamp with 2 industrial shelves underneath that for storage. Then make another bath mat with 3 wood plank pavers. Then we're gonna use sandstone flagstone pavers as a shower tile. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, just fit the pieces like a puzzle. Now we're gonna style this area with homestead items as beauty products, like your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, of course, plants, candles, lights, and even the flotsam decor items, like that would go perfectly in this space. Add a homestead stool so you have somewhere to sit while you shave, and now you have a cute walk-in shower. And now we're gonna decorate the open storage area that we just created. I thought this area would be perfect for you to sit down, do your makeup, put some perfume, cologne on. So we're gonna be using a lot of homestead items like the small pot, the small bottle, and the thick bottle. And make sure to change the colorway. I use the colors Berry, Calathea, and Shore, because not only do those colors look so good with this bathroom, but it also makes it look like you're using different types of products, adds a little variety to the space. And now we're gonna work on the toilet area to make it feel a bit more cozy. We're gonna add a cozy basket as a waste bin, add some plants, some flotsam decor items, add some more homestead items, and some books to keep yourself entertained. When styling the bathtub area, I used a homestead stool with the Ravenwood small end table because I love the candles on this one. In the back, I added some plants, some books, that way you can read while you take a bubble bath, some more homestead items to act as products, an alarm clock, so that way you don't spend all day in the bathtub like I would, and of course, a teapot to make the space extra cozy. Then next to the sink, we're adding another industrial shelf with some homestead items and some more plants. Then finally add 2 flotsam towels on both walls next to the sink and toilet. And now we can move on to the bedroom. On the custom wall we created earlier, place the bellflower curtains right in the center with the Ravenwood silk bed underneath it. For side tables, I'm using the bellflower nightstands, and then we're going to be placing the Capital Chic mirror on both sides on top of that. I might be a little biased, but this bed setup looks so chic and cozy. I'm obsessed with it. In the corner opposite to the bed, we're putting a Ravenwood mirror with 3 industrial wall shelves on the side. Then we're gonna move to the front to work on the entryway. So we're gonna place the Dragontide sideboard table, and we're gonna layer some frames on top of that. I used the Pirate Stolen frame, both Ravenwood frames, and a homestead mirror. After that, we're gonna place 2 industrial wall shelves on both side walls next to the entryway. And we're gonna style one of these walls with some benches and a plushie. Now we're gonna work on the closet by adding a bellflower wardrobe, then some cozy items like the cozy woven basket, cozy ladder, add some candlesticks, some plants, a sewing basket, a bunch of books, and the homestead lamp to make it super cozy. On the other side of the Ravenwood mirror, we're placing a bellflower dresser with some mirrors and frames on top of that. When styling the mirror corner, I wanted 2 things. I wanted it to be semi-organized, but also have a ton of books. So I add 2 cozy woven baskets on the bottom of the shelves. I surrounded the mirror with plants, which I end up loving that look. I'm definitely going to use that again. And of course, added all the books on the bookshelves. Then on the shelves towards the entryway, I added a Capital Chic round mirror, a few frames, some books, of course, the homestead lamp, some plants. And on the other side, trophies, candles, more books. And this is when I decided that that back wall felt a little too empty, so I decided to extend that top shelf. So I added 2 more industrial wall shelves on both sides of that wall. And on those, I just added some clocks, flotsam decor items, more books, of course. There's always going to be a ton of books in my builds, candles, some lamps, frames because I'm obsessed with them. Just anything to make this space super cozy. And guys, guess what? We are officially done with the build. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun making this video for you guys. If you like videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel. If you have any build or video requests for me, please let me know down below. I have a few ideas in mind, but I would love to hear your ideas. If you like a live setting, I do stream over on Twitch. It's just at MifaPuff on Twitch. It'll be linked down below with all my other socials. And I will be back again next week with another Palia video. Until then, make sure to stay safe, drink water, eat food, take care of yourself, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.